slide again?
Let's go.
You gonna play with Grandpa?
There we go. All right. He's heck with Grandma. He says heck with Grandma.
He's by himself, guy. Are you having fun, Kyler? Can't ride slides every day, can you? He's a hanger. Awesome. You kind of like that, don't you? You kind of like hanging, don't you? You want to get up? That was quick, wasn't it? That was quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Look at him.
His face is hilarious when he does that.
On that one, I'm sure.
I got some pictures of him.
What are you doing?
Kyler, say, I'm tough.
Sweet.
I'm
Sweet.
tough.
Did you almost go off the end of that one?
Doing?
Yeah.
Ooh, you're tough.
He's like,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
What you doing? Are you being tough? Ooh, you're strong.
I'm
You
good.
show Grandma how strong you are.
You're good. You're getting bigger. How old are you now? 4, 5? Are you 4? 3? Oh, you're older than 3, ain't you? How old are you? 3? You're 3, huh? I didn't know how old you were. Yeah.